Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for unemployment in Texas. First, you need to understand the basic eligibility requirements set by the Texas Workforce Commission. Generally, you must be unemployed through no fault of your own and be able and available to work. You also need to have earned enough wages in your past employment to qualify. Make sure to gather important documents like your Social Security number and detailed work history before you begin. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, the next step is to submit your application. The quickest and most efficient way to do this is online through the Texas Workforce Commission's official website. While you can apply by phone, be aware that call wait times might be longer. It's crucial to provide accurate and complete details about your employment history and the reasons for your job separation. After your application is approved, remember that you must request payment every 2 weeks to continue receiving your benefits. During each request, you'll need to certify that you are able and available for work. It's also very important to accurately report any earnings you might have from part-time jobs or other income sources. Missing these bi-weekly requests means you won't receive benefits for that period. To maintain your eligibility for unemployment benefits, you must actively search for new employment. Keep a detailed record of your job search activities, as you may be asked to provide them. Be sure to participate in any reemployment services or workshops that the Texas Workforce Commission requires. Also, promptly report any changes in your employment status or contact information. Benefits typically last for up to 26 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.